I'm moving, so I'm gonna get one more.
Oh. Imagine actually maintaining. Imagine, would you like to be the fat conductor?
Ha! Sir Topham Hat to you.
So Topham Hat. Would you like to be like the equivalent of that? The main head of the...
Oh yeah, that'd be so much fun.
It'd
be a lot of work, but it'd be so much fun.
You have to be fat and wear a suit and a top hat. Upon getting the job. Like you're wearing casual clothes all the time and you finally get the job and all of a sudden you start eating a lot and... Sir, are you okay? Yes, of course fine. I just fit in my role. Filling in my role.
I'm gonna put this on our other channel. Spiderprime1 and Sammyjack go to the train museum.
Duh. All you're doing is taking videos of trains.
Well, so did you.
Yeah, but
well, then again, I used your phone.
I did one on my own because I was super interested.
Okay, if that's just planted and just coming up, what stage would a sugar beet field be when that is like that? Would the sugar beets already have been harvested?
Well, you got to realize that if you can get how many cuts a year out of that? So you don't
Well, I'm trying to make it so that it's just growing. Not that it's been cut once, that it's just coming up.
Well, the only reason they're talking about that is because Southern Pacific was the main supplier of sugar beet.
They have more than one sugar beet. They rotate sugar beet crops. Do they grow in all?
I think that's what's happening. Yeah, in fact it is, because they'll do a harvest like in the end of the summer.
I'm looking.
Okay, I'll meet you at the front.
So they're annual.
And alfalfa, I don't know if they, because I know they plant it and then it grows and they cut it and then it grows and they cut it and it grows and they cut it and then do they plant more than once a year? Hey, Dean.
Okay, I've never seen a plant. Once it's put in there,
Yeah, I know.
they just
I don't go down there often enough
yeah.
to see, what's
Normally your fields that they're redoing annually would be like your lettuce, your vegetables, not your
like this.
Yeah.
You would see this all different times of year.
I mean, this could be probably for lettuce. It could be cabbage, carrots, onions.
Hey, Paul Voss is here. Yes. Paul Voss, you missed a rip-roaring meeting last week.
I know I missed the meeting.
I wish I would have missed the meeting. Who's William Schomburg?
Editor of RMC.
Oh,
Emeritus.
he's coming down soon, hopefully.
Well, he's talking about Labor Day.
Labor Day. You better get your butt together.
I'm going to tell him no.
No.
I resigned last week.
You resigned.
And signing off.
Well, who's